What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Awad here, and today I think I found the best laptop you can get for your money. Let's check it out. So today we're going to take a look at the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X 14-inch AMD variant. There's an Intel and AMD version of this laptop, and I opted out to go for the AMD option. Just the price and the specs for this laptop really intrigued me, and it's the way the design is. It's really nice. I mean, you have a lot of performance. You have an AMD Ryzen 6900HS. That's the Ryzen 9 version. It has an NVIDIA RTX 3050, so you can game on this, and they're getting up to almost 16 hours of battery life. Whew. I can't wait to test that out. This laptop is NVIDIA Studio certified, which means for productivity you'll be able to get that type of drivers, and those drivers will help increase performance, especially when you're video editing, photo editing. This is going to be a top-notch machine. It has an incredible 3K display, which I can't wait to test out. Lenovo has an X-Power tuning, which allows for enhanced system performance, so gives you performance when you need it and battery life when you need that. It has AI Engine Plus security, which is great. It allows for fast, easy, touch-free login, which is nice, and has enhanced security built right into the laptop. It is also light and easy to carry, which is what all laptops should be. Unless you're going for those monster gaming, essentially desktop replacement laptops, then, well, I mean, you're gonna need the cooling, so it's gonna be a huge laptop. But for this kind of case, I think, and just the way just the box feels, it feels pretty light. In spirit of the holidays, I'd like to announce a giveaway. Shout out to Safely for sending me out an amazing smart door lock. It is a super versatile with multiple ways of opening the lock. It really is a top-notch product. In order to win this amazing lock, here's a few things I would like you to do. Subscribe to my channel, watch, like, and comment on this video. Go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Handles are in the description below. And on my latest post, like, comment, and tag 4 friends. This way it enters you into our giveaway, and may the odds be in your favor. And before we continue, if you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and share this video. Doing so will help us grow and continue bringing you this great content. And we're trying to figure this statistic here where, you know, unsubscribed watchers, then we have subscribed watchers, so smash that subscribe. You guys remember, the link for this product is in the description below. Now, before we unbox it, let's take a look at the specs of this specific laptop. So this laptop is rocking an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS Creator Edition, which is an 8-core 16-thread processor that turbos up all the way to 4.9 GHz. It rocks also an NVIDIA RTX 3050 with 4 gigs of GDDR6, and it has 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM running at 6400 megahertz. That is some fast RAM. It has 1 terabyte M.2 SSD, and it is Gen 4, and battery life up to 15.7 hours at 150 nits, running local video at 1080p. The display is a 14.5 3K display running at 3076 by 1920 and at 400 nits, 100 sRGB, 120 Hz, and it is a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, which is my favorite aspect ratio. Reason why? You're getting that much more desktop real estate, so you can just cram a lot more, especially when you're video editing. It gives you this much more space, so you can actually see more of your timeline, or if you're photo editing, or you're just doing any kind of productivity. Just having that extra real estate is phenomenal. And the laptop weighs 3.2 pounds. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Alright, knowing them, probably going to be a box within a box. Let's remove the first box. Yep, it's a box within a box. Take this box out. Lenovo. We'll take a look at this in a little bit. Alright, let's see what we have in here. So we have 2 options. Either you destroy the box completely or just open it like a civilized person from the other end. That's what we have here. And we have our power brick. This is like the smallest 100-watt power brick I've seen. Most 65-watt power bricks I've seen are this size. 100 watts is probably like 40% bigger. This is just really nice. We've got to remove all of the plastic. Looks like it's powered by Type-C, which is great. Plug this in. Alright, let's put it to the side. Alright, so before I open this, let's just take a look at the box. On the top, we just have Lenovo, and not much on the bottom. Okay, that was easy. Let's unbox this. Now, I like this. This way you don't have to like get a knife or anything. You just pull the tape up and just run it through and just rip it all apart. Alright. Here's a laptop. Okay, it's not. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Not much underneath here. Now, this laptop is the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X. In countries outside North America and I think outside the United States, it is a part of the Yoga series, so it will be the Lenovo Slim Yoga 7 Pro X. Keep that in mind. We have a nice little quick starter guide and tell you what port is what. And safety information. Let's go on in and take out the laptop. So far, my impressions are it is a pretty laptop. One finger test. And it passes! So this is nice. They give you a whole bunch of, function and quick start tips on that little keyboard protector thing. That's nice. And it tells you here to connect the power first before you turn it on. So I'm guessing to activate the battery, you need to connect the power brick to it. So that's fine, we'll do that. And this is nice. So if you want to get extended warranty on it, they give you 15% off. Overall, the feel is really, really solid on this laptop. Before we turn it on, let's go over all the ports. So on this side here, we have USB Type A and 2 USB Type C ports. And you charge it over here. Not much on this side. So on this side here, a headphone microphone combo port and the webcam kill switch. So if you want to kill the webcam, you just press that button here. You just flip the toggle over here. Click. Now it's not going to work, so you get extra privacy. On the top is just beautiful aluminum, which is a nice fingerprint magnet with Lenovo. And on the back, we have a huge intake grill. And how to access the back panel, which we'll do in our review. So let's look inside of the laptop. Open this up, and they go. It's 180 degrees almost. It's like 179, whatever. So on the top, we have our touchscreen display. And over here, we have a beautiful keyboard, a nice glass trackpad, and front-facing speakers. I love this. More manufacturers need to do this. There's no point for speakers to be at the bottom. You can fit it up here. And it's a 14-inch laptop. Y'all have no excuse. That's my little rant. Keyboard feels nice. It's not as clicky as I would like it to be, but I'm pretty sure I can get used to it pretty quick. Let's test how much flex this laptop has. As you can see, it's very, very solid. Not much flex on the keyboard deck. I mean, it's all aluminum. Not much flex up here either. And not much flex on the whole laptop. It is solid. Now, let's see if this turns on. So let's see. I know it says plug it in, but let's see if it has enough power to turn on. I guess not. I was hoping to be a little more dramatic than that. That's fine. Put this in here. Now will it turn on? It is lit up here. It lives! Alright, so let me go ahead and do the setup really quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so let's do a handoff where we're going from my recording gear to the laptop recording gear. So this is a test. We're testing out the overall in the preview. Looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty bright. It looks pretty clear. Can do my hair a little bit. So yeah, it looks good, especially for day-to-day use, Zoom calls and everything. It looks very professional. It doesn't look low quality at all. It's not bad. And now we'll see how it actually sounds like. The webcam looks great and the sound is not that bad. It's actually pretty good for a laptop. And there you guys have it, the Lenovo 7 Slim Pro X. Another market, it is the Lenovo Slim Yoga. So far, I am impressed with this laptop. The display looks great. Not much flex to the body. It's a very solid body. It is pretty light. And I love the overall aesthetics of the laptop. I love how there aren't any sharp edges. Everything is kind of rounded off. So if you're holding it for a while, it's not going to cut into your hand, which is nice. I love that it has front-facing speakers, which sound great. A lot better than bottom-facing speakers. It does have a plethora of port, which is nice. I love the inclusion of USB Type A and Type C. I love how it has a webcam kill switch, so it can always be private. Overall, I am impressed with this laptop. Now, some things I like to see that in the coming revisions of this laptop is marketed towards creators, and we use SD cards, micro SD cards, all the time. I wish it had that kind of access where you could just put in an SD card or a micro SD card. So maybe in an upcoming revision, at least include a micro SD slot now. Preferably full SD slot, which is a lot better. You always adapt down. So guys, I will be reviewing this laptop, so stay tuned for that video. I'm looking forward to putting through all its paces. It does have an RTX 3050, so we'll definitely do some gaming. We'll do some rendering tests. We'll do some we'll put it through all the spaces. So stay tuned for that video. And guys, link for this product is in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit share, smash subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, what's good? Drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.